Ooh, a toy. Red, yellow, blue, green. Hey guys, today we're gonna open colorful surprises. And the first surprise we're gonna open is going to be PJ Masks. Blue capsule. This is Romeo. Romeo is super squishy. Paw Patrol. Here we have Marshall. Very squishy. Cars. This is Luigi. I love these squishy toys. He's yellow. Now let's open the color changing Tots from Disney Junior. Surprises on both sides. Blind bag. Oh wow, here's a little pet. Oh, it's a baby panda. Soft baby panda. She's so cute. Let's find the collector's guide. And it's right here. Now we can find out her name. She is Precious. Another 2 blind bags. Look, tiny toys for the baby. And more baby toys. Her diaper changes color when you place her in icy cold water. My Little Pony Stack'ems. This is a little house. And here we have Pinkie Pie. Super squishy. Red, yellow, green, blue. Let's open here the hairdos. My very first hairdos. Oh, the shampoo bottle opens just like that. Here we have a little thing. And let's look at the baby. Oh, she's sitting on a little chair. It's like a salon chair. Let's remove here. Now you can see her little outfit is so cute. I love her 2 colored hair. It's like a light purple and the baby pink. She's super cute. There's a little moon on her cheek. Now here you can remove the chair, put it in the little suction thing, and now she can be here, inside the bottle. She can turn around. You can work on her hair. Oh, the little hairdo is super adorable. I love it. And you can even close her up just like that. Now let's open one more surprise from Kinder Egg.
Yummy. Yummy.
Yummy! Uh-oh! The chocolate is a powder! Oh no! Let's check out the toy.
Yummy.
This is the bear. This bear is easy to build. Only 3 pieces. And here we have a flyer with the bear and the entire collection from Masha and the bear. Let's count. 1, 2, 3,